Hi Taurus, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading for the week from August 31st till 6th of September, and we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, and as you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Okay, so let's see what is there for my Taurus for the week 31st of August till 6th of September, please. 3 shuffles. So I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies, and let's see now. Alright, so at the back of the deck it's the Judgment card over here. So this is telling me, there is some kind of a decision being made, where the day has come to take the decision and you have to take a decision no matter what. So that is what I'm getting, your overall energy. So your past energies are 8 of Rods, 2 of Pentacles and 7 of Cups. Yeah. So the decision in which you have finally, made up for this decision. You finally made up your mind for this decision to actually, to put it into action. It is more about, the process was from a long time, and something happened, and with the 2 of Pentacles I'm getting, with a very busy life, with a very confusing mind of yours, I'm seeing that this thing actually somebody told you or something strike you and you just took this decision. It was really fast. With the 8 of Wands over here, I see that it was really fast. Something really came up and finally you decided to either move on, either doing something, making family happy, something like that, because it is actually giving me in the present energies. It's like, the King of Pentacles and the 10 of Pentacles. It is about how happy, how content you are, how happy you are over here. So this might be regarding your family as well. And with the 6 of Cups, I'm seeing that someone past, from your past life, someone coming up, and you are being with this person as your future person, or a partnership might be for some of you. This is more about making, 2 people coming together and becoming a family. So this is that energy which I'm getting. Your future energies are Page of Swords and Page of Pentacles and 6 of Pentacles. So this is really new. Now you have, you have a lot of things to learn in this process. You have a lot of small fights does not make a huge difference. So things are coming up really fast towards you if you are ready to learn new lessons. So this is the time. So do not say no to anything, because 6 of Pentacles is also here. So there is a give and take of an energy where if you give love, you will receive love. So whatever you will give, if you will pass negativity will come towards you as well. So this is up to you. What you share, only that thing you will be able to receive. All right, so let's see now what is there for my Taurus. For what is the overall energy with the Judgment over here? Why the overall card Judgment? The Tower and 7 of Wands with the Knight of Swords. Okay, so this is more about, this judgment. It didn't come just like that. A lot of things were like so many things were like instant in your life, that you had many ups and downs in this process while you actually decided for this thing, whatever this thing is. I'm really getting that, a lot of chaos might be, or might be a lot of no's from the other end, when you are like, you are in the middle of nothing and you have to take a decision, like, I cannot just go on with this particular thing. That's all I know. I don't know where I'm heading towards, but this is not the thing which I am going to be. This is not a person, that energy, that thing where at least that you don't want that thing. You don't know what you want, but you know that you don't want that thing. Okay, so this is that energy, that thing which and you actually stood for it. Your overall energy, you are standing for in your decision. You are fighting from people, because people are saying no, that you cannot do this thing, but it's you who is actually happy to do this thing, and you're content, I am seeing, with this decision or whatever this thing is. Okay, so let's see, why is this eight of rods in your past energies? Nine of rods. Okay, what else? So many cards. What else do we have? Six of Pentacles again. Alright, so with the nine of rods and the six of Pentacles, I'm getting that with the eight of rods over here. So the things, things were very slow. Well, the eight of rods always speak about the fast moving things in your life, but I'm not getting that it was really fast over here, because no matter people are telling you to take a decision fast as you can, but you always need some time to decide what is good for you or what is not. So you took your time, I'm seeing, and you were really rigid in this thing. You were like, I am tired, I know that. I am exhausted, I know that. But I cannot go on like this. I have to go on in a direction where my heart will take me to. Okay? And you put your energies in the right direction. That is what I'm getting. Okay, so let's see, why is this Two of Pentacles here in your... Okay, with the Four of Cups over here, so you said no to a lot of options over here. You had options, you had choices with Seven of Cups in your reading. You had choices, you had different things in your mind, and you said no to a lot of things for one particular thing. And you know that what that thing is, if that is a thing or a situation or a person, So this is something. Okay, so a rigid Taurus I'm seeing over here, a rigid person, but that's you over here, King of Pentacles. It always, it's really good to be selfish sometimes. So no matter what, you were selfish, but you took a decision which actually helped you, which is helping you to move forward in your life. Let's see, why is this King of Pentacles in your present energies? Why this King of Pentacles is here in your present energies, please? For my Taurus, King of Pentacles. Okay, so I saw... Okay, so Six of Cups again. So we have this Six of Cups 2 times in your present energies. So it is more about, the past coming in the present. So this is more about something which is related to your past. If this is a person, some kind of a past person is contacting you, or you want to connect to that person because you see a family with this person, somebody from your past, or it is more about not only a person, it is more about something from your childhood life. Okay, so something which actually connects you with your childhood days, and that is why you want that thing to make it in your, to bring it in your present, and that thing will give you a lot of... With the Ten of Pentacles over here, it is happy family, I know, but you see money as well over here. Not a bad way, I'm saying money in terms of, you know, growth. So you are seeing growth from something which is related to your past energy, something past, might be past life as well. So you might not be even knowing that, you know, in your past life you were already doing this kind of a stuff, and now it has like some kind of a connection. You know, if you are really getting some kind of dreams as well, because Ace of Cups also means dreams of family, I'm seeing. If you're getting those kind of dreams, so please do actually notice your dreams over here. Okay, let's see why the Ten of Pentacles is here in your present energies. Knight of Cups. So yes, so something is, you are really up to something over here. This is something which is actually attracting you. Might be a person who is very much, might be a water sign, Cancer, Pisces or Scorpio, and you are really attracted towards this person, or this person really has something, you know, they know how to talk to you. Something is really attracting you towards this thing. Let's see why is this Page of Swords in your future energies. Queen of Swords with the Page of Swords. Okay, what else do we have? Judgment again. All right, so you know what I'm getting in your future energies, it's like the emotional thing is still your present, and whatever things which you are going to take, whatever decisions you are going to take in your future, it's more about stability, and you are taking that decision from your mind. You are not really ready to get into your emotions anymore over here. See, with the Page of Swords and the Queen of Swords, I'm getting that you are not ready to feel the emotions. You are more ready to be someone you know, who really knows how to talk. I'm really seeing getting that word intellectual again and again in this thing in your future. So you know how to talk to people, you know how to, basically you're working on something which you know that this might be a lacking thing in you. So you are working on those stuff of your, in your future energies, in which basically, you know, learning something new, some kind of a new language, new course, new certification course, or something new which you are doing in your future energies. And you always wanted to do this thing because it is related to your past. So if you are entering into new life, new marriage life or new love life, so this is also new. So this is going to be a very new experience from your past things. All right, let's see why the Page of Pentacles is here in your future energies. Okay, oh my god, so many cards, sorry. Okay, I'll take this one. The World. Wow, so things are really changing, my dear friend. Judgment, 20 number, and 21 the World. So a lot changing, a lot of changing is coming in your life. And you know, this change is slow, because with the Page of Pentacles things really come slow with the Page of Pentacles, because this is a very, you know, innocent kind of energy. You are really, see how much patience does this person has. See how he is fishing and he is actually getting one coin over here. So Page of Coins is a more of a very slow energy, but it is more about what you, if you're, are you even happy to do this thing? See how happily he is doing whatever he is doing. So it actually demands patience, it demands time. So do you have that time? So this is asking that. So the universe is telling you over here that whatever you are wanting, so whatever you have wished for in your past, whatever your wishes are, they will come true, they will. But you know, all you need to do is to give patience, to give some time towards the things which you actually need to do. Give some time to yourself as well in this process. Okay, so do not neglect yourself over here. Let's see, why is the Six of Pentacles in your future? Okay, so Temperance we have. See, I just talked about patience, and Temperance is here. Temperance is all about balance and patience, and doing, you know, when you are ready to just balance your mind and your heart, because our mind always says opposite things what our heart says, because our heart is very emotional, you know. Heart wants love and everything, and mind says no, do not enter in that zone, do not enter into any zone where emotional contact is involved, and you will be the one who will be betrayed after that. So that is why things are really coming up in your life with a lot of patience, a lot of balance is involved, and that is why the universe is also telling you this thing, that whatever you have to do, what in whichever field you are going towards, whatever you want to do in your life, all you need to do is balance your energies. Try to balance everything, your home life, your work life, your love life, whatever. Balance it, and you will be really happy, at least, you know. So that's all, Taurus. That's all from my side. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.